व्यूअर्स, उम्मीद है कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी सोर्स एज द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ साइंस क्लास 6। दिस इज कॉल्ड चैप्टर नंबर 8। Okay, now we will be going to study our video. The renewable energy resources. There are many sources of energy such as coal and oil and the natural gas. They are all the sources of energy. Okay, these fuels are called fossil fuel. Means ये जो हमने आपको ऑप्शंस दिए हैं, जो सोर्सेज एनर्जी है, इसको हम लोग फॉसिल फ्यूल्स भी कहते हैं. These fuels would not last forever. They not recoverable. These sources are called non-renewable resources. The shortage of fossil fuels will create serious energy problems. We must look for alternate source of energy that can be recovered. Those sources are called renewable energy sources. Renewable sources of energy include wood, water, wind, animals' waste, sunlight, and tides of sea. Hydroelectric energy. The kinetic energy of flowing water is transformed into electrical energy. This energy is called hydroelectric energy. Dams are built to obtain this energy. The water required for producing hydroelectric energy is available free of cost. Hydro power stations do not add pollution to atmosphere. The wind energy. Wind has the kinetic energy in it. A windmill is a machine which has blades. These blades move by the energy of wind. In recent years, a windmill is being used to produce electricity. A wind farm consists about 100 windmills. Is used to generate electricity in greater amount. Wind energy is available without any cost. Wind energy does not cause any pollution. The next point is biogas. Biogas is a mixture of the gases. These gases are formed by the decay of animals' wastes and water. A biogas plant is used to produce this gas. Can be used as a fuel in homes. We can use the remaining materials as a fertilizer. The plants of biogas is called gobar gas plant. Biogas is the cheapest than any other fuel. It produces less pollution as compared to coal and petroleum. Solar energy. The sun is the ultimate source of energy on Earth. The Earth coming the form of the sun is called the solar energy. The solar energy can be changed into electricity. With the help of the solar cells, solar energy can be as effective renewable energy source in our country. Solar energy comes on the earth free of cost. This energy is also pollution free. There is a lot of source energy coming on the earth. Tidal energy. The winds when blow over the surface of the sea cause tides in it. In some countries, these tides are used to make electricity. Energy from sea tides is also free of cost. This energy does not any cause of any type of pollution. Energy in our lives. Our body uses energy all the times, even when we sleep. The required energy. Our body needs energy to grow, to move, and to keep warm. Our bodies get energy from food. The food has a stored energy. It's change this energy to the kinds of energy it need, like heat energy and kinetic energy. Energy transfers in an environment. Green plants use sunlight to grow and make food. This solar energy is stored in the form of chemical energy of food. Animals and humans being established food prepared by the plants. The chemical energy of the food transfers to the body. The bodies of the animals and the human being changes the chemical energy of the food in the to the kinds of the energy they need. Heat energy and the kinetic energy dissipated in atmosphere. Similarly, solar energy caused wind energy, seed energy, and many other forms of energy. All these energies changes and at the end of the dissipate in the atmosphere. Thank you so much.